Good morning, everyone. A wonderful good morning. How is everybody doing on this beautiful, now a little bit rainy on my end, London session? Hello, Teacher FX. Good morning. AM, good morning. Tamimi, good morning. Hey, guys, what's going on? Let me update my charts because I'm a little late on my end. So let me update some stuff over here. Had an interesting session yesterday, but let me do some updates real quick. All right, how's everybody doing? Hope you guys are okay. Let's see. Previous day high, daily open, and previous day low. All right. We have the VWAP, we have everything. Okay, pretty much all right. So this is NQ, and let me update my ES chart as well. How are you guys? What is happening? What is happening? Let's see. Oh, I have an alert too. All right, I have to delete this and update this here. Daily open. Took out previous day high, so pretty much bullish since yesterday. All right. Okay, we're fine. Morning, Arin. Good morning. Good to see everyone. Okay, all right. Let's do some updates here. Let me check the oh, we have a little bit of a new day opening gap. I see that. I have to point that out here. I'm just gonna put this here. New day opening gap, not that much relevant. Futures trader Morales, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Let's see. All right, new day opening gap. New day opening. New day opening gap. Okay. What else do we see? That was in the 5-minute, right? 5-minute, 1 minute. I don't think it's that relevant because it's pretty much repriced, but I'm gonna leave it on there anyways. Okay, this one too. Great. No structure shift yet, but looks like we took out Asia high, which is previous day high. News wise, we're gonna have the next news coming. Well, nothing significant in the London session. Nothing that much significant. No clear structure shift to the downside, but pretty much had a liquidity sweep up there. And now we're just waiting for this to go down. Okay. All right, everything is updated on my end. Great, perfect. Great. Okay, so the Nasdaq. The PM session pretty bullish. Also, Asia went higher. Yeah, the German, yeah, we have that. Yeah, if a business climate, it's gonna be in about less than 2 hours. Let's see what that will bring us. I look to the left. I try to check for some possible fair value gaps, most likely on the 1 hour. Those could be significant intraday. So I'm gonna put a marker here as well. So that is a 1 hour fair value gap. Sorry, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Let's see how that goes. And on ES, we're pretty much inside of a fair value gap right now. So next buy side should be up there. Okay. Cool. 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 All right. Everything's set up. And to the downside, we have a clean, well, not so clean, but we have a fair value gap to the downside to here on the 5 minute, which was in Asia session, but I'm gonna mark that up too, just in case, as a possible target. It's not, yeah, it's only 9 points away. Should be going down there. Yeah, it does. It does, and it starts at 21, so 6 points away. Seems like it's reaching for it. It is reaching for it. How is everyone? Almost tapped into that. Wow. Good morning, David. Okay. Almost spiked down into that gap. This is a structure shift, by the way. But I'm not sure that this is all that bearish. I mean, this move, if you look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour too, we're pretty much heading a little bit higher up to the 800s. There is a 4 hour buy side with a fair value gap. Buy side liquidity, 4 hour fair value gap up there. And that's it. Not so far. And not that far. How about the low of this candle was 21.50 and low of this candle was, okay, it didn't go into that 5 minute gap on mini and not on the micro. So we could be seeing a continuation down for 10 points. If you guys want it. Okay. Nice. All right. So if you guys want to scalp it for 10 points, you have the opportunity. The low of this candle is 21. I wonder why it didn't reach that. But it can continue higher. That's for sure. Yoragat, good morning. How is everybody doing? Hope you guys are good. Okay, let's see. Good morning, now. Welcome. All right. So, let's get down to business, shall we? So we have this 5-minute gap. It's not far, should be tapping into that. Otherwise, nothing serious is going on right now. If you guys want to scalp it, you can. And let's see. Oh, by the way, I did put on a giveaway link up there for you guys if you want to participate. It's going to be a 50K evaluation account. I did not clarify the details, but it could be a MyFundedFutures or it could be TOPSTEP, or I can do 2 BULENOX, Apex as well. Did not clarify that. I'm sorry about that. But it's just a new thing. There's an application very good for giveaways. So I pinned that up there, and we're going to do the live spin on the stream. Yeah, MyFundedFutures has the best offer right now. Exactly. Although yesterday there was a little bit of a confusion about a trader who put out a video that he got denied with a huge payout spreading around the net, but it should be under control. I don't know the name because he has a name. He has a Chinese or Japanese name. He put out a video that he got denied because I don't know. I mean, most likely MyFundedFutures says he was managing more than one accounts and not playing by the rules or terms of service. Yeah. So now it's all over the place. That should be all right. Actually, he got paid 60% of his profits because he was managing his brother's account. At least that's what MyFundedFutures said. All right. Okay, so this one didn't go down to that that gap. In fact, it might want to shift higher, maybe make some new highs. That's interesting. So who knows? All right. So these are the levels that we see right now. Nothing special. Small bearish order block on the 1 minute with a fair value gap. maybe willing to go down to sweep some liquidity on the 5-minute. That's all. So let's see what it does. It did a structure shift though to the upside, but didn't really go down to that gap to sweep liquidity. That's interesting. But who are we to judge, right? If market wants to do something else, it will. So took out previous day high, which was Asia high. Could be going lower. Good for a scalp with a 1-to-1. And that's it. Okay. On the 15, sorry, 5 and the 15, let's see what is down there. Not much, to be honest. No specific order block. This is pretty much feeling bullish to me. We have a 4-hour fair value gap up there. So this could be a continuation towards the 800s. Could be a continuation. Depends on how aggressive everybody wants to be. But it's definitely feeling bullish. We are in daily fair value gap on ES, which might indicate a rejection zone. Could be. Could be. Yeah, so ES popped into some fair value gaps, definitely. Not just also on the 1 hour, the daily. So you're right, we could see some kind of a rejection, but so far no sign of that. We could continue aggressively bullish towards that 800 level. So far it does seem like, or seems like it wants to go. Seems like it wants to break this high once more at 46. Can't really tell. It's not far, that's for sure. So if it does, are we going to continue higher? I feel like ES is going to pull today, at least inside into this huge gap to the left. The mid-level is somewhere around, let's see, somewhere around 51.38. Just gonna put a marker here. It's not accurate, but could be pulling there on the hourly. Still ahead of the London Open, so just be careful, you know. Anything can happen. Marco, good morning. Oh, I forgot to say good morning to Dylan. Judith, good morning. I want NQ test 777. That's a nice number, by the way, to test. 1777. It could, actually. It could. I think. I don't know if it will, but it could. For now, it seems like it wants to make a new spike higher, but we're still waiting for more confirmation about this. We're going to be watching ES2. If ES would make a new high, that means we could be going for that mid-level of that hourly fair value gap. So that's all for now. Time to eat breakfast. I had breakfast, yes. I had breakfast already. So don't worry about that, guys. I already had my breakfast. I'm having tea still, you know, but it's fine. Just my tea, as usual. And that's it. Trying to decide what is gonna happen. ES got a little bit weak on this level. Might want to drop. So anyway, let's wait. Could be going back down to that 5-minute fair value gap once more. Sweep some more liquidity. It's there on the mini too, not just on the micro. So we're pretty much just hovering in this area for now. Okay. Dark Cloud, hey there. How's it going? I'm looking the 5-minute, nothing special. Nothing really special here. In between the high and the fair value gap. Trying to look ES on the 5-minute. Nothing specific for now. NQ is also almost like indecisive. We could be ranging until London like this. So let's see. Let us see what's going on. How was your trading day yesterday? Hope you guys made some profit. Seems like NQ just stopped again until further notice. Just hovering here in this area. There is liquidity in both ways. ES is going down a little bit now, but nothing else. We do have a giveaway, by the way. Our 3K on European, nice. With day 6 with Apex, very nice. 4 more days and I can officially take my first. Oh, that's awesome, man. Congratulations. Your previous day high is confusing. Understanding your day. Let's check that. Let's check that previous day high. Let's go with the previous day high is here. With the Asia high. The high of that candle was 45.50. So that was in Asia session because, you know, the full day is from the New York midnight till midnight. So that's what I consider the high of the day, if that's what you're asking. So it was also Asia high for now. I mean, it was, because there's no Asia high now. We're in the London kill zone. But technically, yes, it's still Asia session, but a little bit of a choppy start for the day. Yes, exactly. Exactly. That's how I considered the start of the day. That's how I do it. But now it feels like it might want to spike higher. This one. I mean NQ. Might want to continue higher to reach for maybe the 4-hour gap. So we might gonna miss the liquidity sweep on the 5-minute. Who knows? There are orders on both sides on this range. So it's a little bit choppy. Chop chop. With no direction. Looks bullish, but no targets so far. So this is the waiting. Oh yeah, the activation fees. Yeah. Then you will lose the account, unfortunately. Maybe you can submit a ticket to extend the wait. I'm not sure if that's gonna help. But last time I checked, by the rules, it will seem like you forfeited the account and you don't want to activate it. But maybe you can ask for help from support. Not sure. Maybe they can extend a little bit. We grab liquidity from relative equal lows 25, so we might be. It could happen. It could happen. I'm checking ES2. Not sure if it's gonna drop now or what. Pretty much confusing, but it's just sideways. In this range, we have the gap down there. Didn't go down. It missed it with one tick. We did sweep a little bit of the high. Started to push higher again, then dropped a little bit. So yeah, it is what it is. Seems like it can go higher. Maybe all the way to the 50s, at least, before it turns down. It's the waiting game, guys. We don't know where it wants to sweep liquidity from. Also, I have to check what ES wants to do. Yeah, no problem now. No problem. Just, I suggest you submit a support ticket. Maybe they can help you out with some extra time. I mean, it's in their interest to have the activation fees paid because it's in their business to do so. Now we're back down there. No idea what it wants to do. Just chopping all over the place, guys. Don't know what is happening. I wish I would know. I would so wish I would know. But no clear direction. It can just consolidate all the way until the London session. I did have a scalp trade before the stream. Because I was up early and I was doing it on my laptop. But I got cold feet and I closed it with a loss. I thought that we're gonna go for the highs, and I entered to a long trade here. I entered the long, and then it went against me, and I thought that we were gonna take out that high, and I got cold feet here, and I closed the trade, but I only lost like $40 or something. So that wasn't really a good start for me, but it's all right. Now I'm definitely just gonna wait. That's why I don't really into scalping that much. I shouldn't do that. It's not a strict rule. Okay. Did the same? All right. Yeah, so I was up. I was not at this computer. I was sitting at my laptop at the kitchen, and I was seeing that, oh my, it's gonna go for finally it's gonna take out that high. So I entered right at the top. I entered like somewhere at the top at 39, and I said, oh, it's gonna be good for a few points, you know. And just as I entered, it went down, boom, and I said, no, man, I'm just closing the trade. I'm not gonna be in this trade. So it didn't really turn out. Actually, it went up there, but you know, I had to cut it. By the way, guys, there's the form up there. It's a new thing. I never used this application, but it's for giveaways. It's very good for giveaways. If you fill out the form, we're gonna do weekly, with God's help, we're gonna do weekly account giveaways, and it's very simple to do a few tasks, collect some points, and you can you know, earn more points to enter for your entries. So just fill out your name, email, and do some tasks. There's a tweet you can share. We have still the promo with MyFundedFutures. Visit a few websites, answer questions, and that's it. And you can participate in the giveaway. And we're going to do this hopefully on a weekly basis. So more details are coming. So you can enter the spin, the wheel spin and the pick is going to be live on stream. So yeah. Yeah, something like that. Zoltan, yeah, did almost the same. So all right. All right. We're hovering, guys. We're hovering. Why are you standing like that in the picture? I don't know. Yeah, it's like I'm like a girl on that picture. I couldn't find a better one. What could I do? I couldn't find a better picture, especially in a PNG format. I just couldn't find anything else. Looks like this one can go down maybe to sweep that liquidity in this fair value gap. I don't know. Could this be going down? Not really sure. ES is still up there. All right. Still waiting. Yeah, everything is pretty much tight here. And, you know, I really can't make up what Nasdaq wants to do here. There is liquidity down there, but so far, I don't know. Okay. This is typically when the Nasdaq has been absolutely stopped working. Good morning, Mihails. The best logical thing for price would be to go down to 21. It's a few points away only. So should be grabbing that 5 minute, 5 minute fair value gap. But other than that, I don't know. Could be good for a scalp, but I don't trust this whole move here. But the ES actually went down a little bit. How far can it go? It should be tapping into that 5 minute gap too. NQ doesn't really want to go down from here. It's pretty much stuck. Damien, good morning. What's up? So if anyone is new here, thank you so much for joining. Please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, there is a giveaway from now on, hopefully every week, but there's going to be the first one, and this is a new application. I pinned the message for you guys up there. It's a giveaway application, online form. If you fill it out, you can do some entries there, some simple tasks, earns you more points to win the giveaway. If you want to go ahead and register, it's very simple, and we're gonna do the live pick here on the streams. So doing this regularly from now on, hopefully. So go check out the giveaway. It's very simple. All right, still hovering here. Everything is pretty much everything pretty much stopped. Good morning, Laura. Good morning. Long entry at 720 could be. I mean, yeah, why not? You can pick this up at the 720 if you want to. Should be going into this gap. Yeah, there you go. Pretty much gonna take it. It's only like 2 points away. So almost there, and there you go. I think it took it on the mini. Yeah, the mini took it. Micro took it. All right, so some liquidity at least swept on this level. Okay, now liquidity has been swept not all the way down. I would have preferred, if I go to the 5-minute on Nasdaq, I would have preferred a liquidity sweep maybe a little bit lower here, at least down at 687, but we don't know that. Dave Trade FX, good to see you. How you doing? How you doing? Sell side liquidity. All right. All right. All right. Let's see. Maybe we see a manipulation buy side too. Alright, could be. Because ES, actually, if we go to the ES and you go to the 1 hour, the mid level is somewhere around 51.39.38. If you look at this gap on the 1 hour ES, there is an order block also up there. So I'm talking about ES because I think it should be going higher, and that should bring some bullish movement to Nasdaq. So I saw the announcement from MyFundedFX starting from May. They will not refund fee of challenge anymore when you got payout. What do you think? Is this kind of move in prop industry? I don't know, Dave. That's actually new to me as well. At MyFundedFX. This is not MyFunded. This is MyFundedFX, not futures, right? So I don't know. I think it's some kind of a business model, part of the cash flow, I think. I mean, every prop firm can decide what to do. I don't know what to think about that. If they don't want to refund the fee. There are some other prop firms. I don't want to, but you know, I can do research, but I know that there are other prop firms who are not refunding in Forex your challenge fee, although it's pretty much standard at almost most of them are refunding you the fee. No, I don't think so. But I do know that MyFundedFX, I mean, not that I know, but many people are saying on Discord that MyFundedFX also had the struggle to, you know, transfer from MetaTrader to other platform. So they did have their fair share of this problem, and they did have issues with the migration of the new platforms. I'm not long. I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. I'm absolutely flat. I'm not in anything. No. I didn't take a trade. I'm still waiting. It could be a good idea to enter here. You know, grab this liquidity gap here and then go higher. Because ES, as I said, should be going higher. So I can imagine the continuation. If it would shift the structure, for example, here at 7:30, I would consider to enter on this 1 minute and take out the high and continue higher, but depends on ES. Just excited to trade my what? trade for 300 profit. I see. So yeah, we don't know what are they doing, both MyFundedFX or whatever. But you know, these prop firms are making changes all the time in their rules, so gotta accept that and, you know, go buy it. That's why at the end of the road, or, you know, partially the goal would be maybe to fund your own account, maybe not with tens of thousands of dollars, but even if you can fund your own personal account with $1,000 or $2,000 and go with micros, 1 micro, 2 micro, you know, that's ultimately a good goal too. That's what I'm trying to do as well, as a side goal next to the others. So yeah. And I do think so far that MyFundedFutures, which is basically the same as MyFundedFX, is making some very positive changes in the industry. But don't forget, any of these prop firms can go down. Even TOPSTEP, even Apex, any of these prop firms can go down if, you know, the leaders of the company decide to go on a wrong track. So yeah, I feel like it's not look good in the prop. Soon we'll go back to, I feel like it's not look good in the prop. Soon we'll go back to live account. The prop firms, the prop space is definitely a little bit in a confusion right now, and not just, you know, MyFundedFX or futures, or we can talk about any futures or forex prop firm too. I think this year, 2024, is definitely going to be something different. Hopefully in a positive way. Maybe the space will be cleared or cleaned out of those prop firms that are being operated with from a basement with a laptop, because now it seems like it can be done. And yeah, let's hope that we will go in a positive way. Muhammad, hey there. Shaky, yes. That's why I always say, so I know I'm promoting these prop firms, I know, but I always say on the live streams as well, and in my videos, even in my review videos, what I did from MyFundedFutures, I said that I'm gonna do a review video about TOPSTEP. I decided to do review videos of all of them. These prop firms can go down any day, right? So don't put your eggs in one basket. As long as they're paying, as long as they have a good support, as long as everything, you know, clicks okay, it's fine. And you can go check them out all over the place on the internet. You will see on Trustpilot, for example, or Reddit, or whenever, you will absolutely going to find haters, traders that have not been paid out. You will find traders online who got denied on TOPSTEP or Apex, on MyFundedFutures just recently. So you will going to find those comments everywhere. So every one of these companies are looking at their own business models. MyFundedFutures, I think so far it's reliable. They are paying out. Yesterday I talked with someone on Discord, just got their payout yesterday. Unfortunately, I did not receive a funded payout from them yet. I did receive affiliate commission payout, but that's different. Of course, that's with the help of you guys, and thank you for using my code and my link. But I talked with people in private chat too, and also on Discord, that they got payouts. So far it's paying out, everyone. I know other YouTuber who got payout. So what can I say? Any prop firm can go down any day. I do promote these because I think they are pretty much leading the futures industry. BULENOX is the smallest one. Now, BULENOX is a little bit like, it's a gray area because it's a small company, but they're also paying out traders, just like Methodical Man got payouts. And the support is great, so I have no reasons to doubt them for now. But MyFundedFutures, TOPSTEP, and Apex so far is my favorite, but I'm going to continue with Trade Day and Take Profit Trader too. Just saying. So Trade Day and Take Profit Trader is coming into my my view, so I'm looking to trade them. Dude, stop the scam, prop firm. What? Stop the scam, prop firm. MyFundedFutures. TJ, I don't know if they are a scammer or not. I don't know. As far as they do their job, you know. I mean, problems can happen. I'm not saying none of these prop firms cannot go down, because any one of these prop firms can. MyFundedFutures is not a scam as of yet. That's what I think, if you want my clear statement. This is my mentor. TJ. Who are you referring? I'm not saying they are a scam. I'm just saying they're all doing their own business model. I always heard MyFundedFutures is sketchy, and I've seen a lot of complaints compared to other props. Well, you know, I've seen complaints to other props too, but yes, I agree, there are always complaints with this and that. So I heard complaints about TOPSTEP. I heard traders who got denied their payouts. Just saying, TOPSTEP, I have proof. Trader got denied their payout. Multiple traders got denied to paid out by TOPSTEP because they didn't play by the rules. That's what they said. All right. I heard traders got denied multiple times by Apex. Just saying, you know, there is proof out there if you look for it. So, MyFundedFutures is a scam? I don't know. But, you know, with this kind of view, any one of these could be. Larry, thank you for subscribing. Thank you, thank you. So with this view, I think we can say all of these prop firms can be a scam, right? This word scam is literally printed on everyone and everything online. As soon as there's a glitch coming in, it's a scam. I know, I understand. But for example, the funded trader who was openly screwing all over everyone in the past 1 year, now they are a real scam in my book. They are a real scam, and although they restarted their website, I do think the funded trader program is definitely one of the shadiest and darkest prop firms out there to go with, and I think they will never recover. No matter that they restarted their website, I think they will never recover. And also, just saying, guys, I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with True Forex Funds. It's a Hungarian company, True Forex Funds. Just saying. Any one of you guys familiar with True Forex Funds? Because everyone is so delighted with True Forex Funds. I never traded with them. Everyone says, even the big influencers, I'm not going to call out names. PJ, thank you for subscribing. I'm not going to call out names, but there are YouTubers out there with huge following, not like me, I'm just a dust in the wind, but with huge following who are extremely promoting True Forex Funds, which is great because so far they are paying out everyone, right? But just saying, the owners of True Forex Funds are driving Lamborghinis here in Hungary. And if you would look at the owners of True Forex Funds, I mean, you would rather see the guy, I don't even want to say where. So when you look at the owners, the real owners on paper of the company, they are driving Lamborghinis and they are flexing all over in the country. And those are the owners of True Forex Funds. What do you think they get their money from? You know? So is that a scam? I don't know. They're paying out people. They're doing good business so far. I don't know. My Forex Funds was shut down last year. They were paying out everyone. But the guy bought a Bugatti. I give a huge F if he buys a Bugatti for himself, as long as they're paying out normally. So trade at your own risk, but trading prop with an edge is less risky than trading futures with margins. Yeah, imagine getting a margin call. Oh yeah, when it goes against you. I traded with them. They are all the same. Listen, you pay a company to make you trade on a demo and they only profit. Yeah, exactly. So I'm just saying, like, for example, yesterday there was a thing going on Discord and YouTube that a trader got denied for a $33,000 payout, or 20,000, I don't even know, 20 something thousand payout at MyFundedFutures. And anyway, you will see these at every prop firm. Just saying, every prop firm, every single prop firm is gonna do things like that. I'm saying, if you fly under the radar, do it slowly, build up step by step, there should be no problem. And I think MyFundedFutures is here for the long run. I have no reason to doubt that they are doing. I mean, they want to be here for the long run, so I have no issues with them. But if they go down, they go down. But they won't. And the same goes against for TOPSTEP, Apex, whichever name you come up with. They're looking at their own business interests. Guess how many people are using challenges and it pays? Of course they will. Of course. Apex approach to promote them. They show me how many failed accounts and how profitable they are. It's incredible. Of course it's incredible. It's a huge number. It's such a huge industry. Of course they want to continue business. And again, just saying, True Forex Funds owners are driving Lamborghinis. you know. So let that sink in, you know. Let that sink in. And here in Hungary, if you flex with Lamborghinis, I'm telling you, the tax office is going to, I'm not saying they're not paying tax, but you're going to be on the radar. Just saying, you are going to be on the radar if you're driving Lamborghinis here in this country. Just saying. Oh, did I tell you? Anyway, I'm not gonna tell, because again, they're doing a business. They're paying out traders. So far, they did everything good. So I have absolutely zero issues with True Forex funds. I'm just telling that they are driving Lamborghinis too, right? So let's just leave it at that. I'm just watching this trade. Maybe we can break higher. I don't know. I entered this trade. It might be a little bit too early. I entered at 34.75. Might add one more to it if it spikes lower, but I want to see this go to the 4-hour gap. I'm pretty much bullish because I think ES is going to pull higher too. It should be pulling, but I'm hoping for a bullish move. Can we go to the 50s? Hopefully we can. Oh, I think it's going to take me out. I was hoping we will break higher. Took this liquidity and then burst higher. I'm going to show you in just a second. Here's the trade. It's only like $60 risk, so not a big deal. It's gonna take me out, unfortunately. Oh man, so bad. I was hoping for this push to the upside after ES made the low, but I'm just gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this loss. You spent 4K on prop firms. There you go. So, oh, this trade is not good. Pretty much gonna take me out. Yeah. What a shame. Okay. One more push and I'm out from this trade. It's like 60 something dollars down. So let's see. Pay the small winner. Judge the big winner, lower the loser. Yeah. Another drop. I'll join you on this. Well, this long is not looking good anymore. I was hoping that this push can continue. Yeah. Break Asian high and mass before London Open. I thought that we're gonna have this push after the London Open go higher, but seems like it could be a consolidating session. Spent 4, but took out 10. Now there you go. You spent 4, took out 10. Breezy music up. It's going up. You're into. I wouldn't. If I would see this now, I would not jump in. I would not jump in. It's gonna take me out. It's 100%. It's gonna take me out. But I'm not making bets. This one trade is enough for me. I mean, I'm gonna search for the next one, of course, but let's hope for the best. Yeah, most likely is gonna push one more down and it's over, and it's gone. You know, I'm gonna put that sound effect on stream, and it's gone. All right, it's gone. It was only 3 micros, so we could be consolidating. Let me go to the 5 minutes. So on the 5 minute, next sell side should be down at 687. No clean displacement for now, so we can watch this all day, but really hard to tell. This is pure consolidation. Well, you know, may not hit it. It's too late for that. Gap. Maybe the gap is something that it wants to break through, this 5 minute fair value gap. We have the new day opening gap down there too, which is not completely closed on the 15, but we definitely need to see a displacement through it. Maybe burst through the VWAP, and the next sell side for me should be at 686. So but this is the waiting game. Let's see. Trev, good morning. I have this indicator that measure how strong the liquidity at 710 is. Shows 100% strong. If we break this level, then I expect downward pressure. Yeah, that could be. So London opened. I tried to go into long on this gap. It took liquidity here, displacement higher, and I thought that we're just going to continue up to the 4-hour fair value gap. It didn't, so it failed as it should. And now, so this was my area that I went long, took me out. At this point, hard to tell. We can search for targets on the 15 minute, maybe. Isham, hey there, which indicator is that? Justin, right? Oh, well, that would be interesting to know. Yeah. It's consolidating, guys. ES is slowly slipping down. Relative equal lows at 5101. Don't know. Just consolidating, guys. A little bit of a slow session. So by the way, if you would like to participate in the giveaway, there's a link up there. It's pretty simple. You can earn more points by making some tasks if you would like to. And we're gonna do this every week from now on, hopefully. This is a new application. I'm testing it now. So the winner pick is gonna be a live wheel spin or something like that, as we used to do. And it's gonna be awesome. Custom indicator, all right. Not indicator works on your wife. 1 mini stop now. Add mini stop okay. Oh, yeah. Igen, József, az nem jó. So József is saying 1 mini without a stop on a 50K. It's pretty much not a good idea. All right, we have a break lower, which I like. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. Now, this is something I like. This is something I pay attention to. But still, have to measure where can it go. Where can it go? There is a gap down there, so why not? Why not take the move in London? I'm just trying to figure out where can it go target-wise. But we still have to wait for this candle to close and the next candle before we take anything. Would you buy this bounce? It depends on your strategy. I'm not buying it because it's not according to my entry model. So I'm waiting, and yeah, it's pretty much almost, I say, okay for a short technically right now from this area, but hard to say. Did we have any news? Not really, right? Not yet. Hard to say what also ES wants right now. If I look at the 1 hour on ES, I can still see that it can go into that 1 hour gap, and if it does, NQ will push up. NQ can and will. Although this is almost like a classic short entry. If you enter here, you know, stop is up there, maybe a little bit up there, but it's going. So I don't like how it looks like. Tricky candle, exactly. This one is a tricky one. Feels like it was a fake out back to consolidation, and again, if ES starts to move higher into that 1 hour gap by sweeping this liquidity, NQ is just going to break higher as well. Yeah, that was a classic bullwhip push. That was after the break. Yeah, it was looking like one. But we don't know what the market wants. What could be the target? Is it gonna take some lows down there? We don't know that. Can go to 07 maybe. Not sure. Or to down to the 700. Not sure either. If this is a pullback, then we have to be prepared for a possible long setup. But if you look at this, there was a gap down up there. It took it, actually spiked lower. So if it trades above this wick right now, as you can see that, we exactly, I mean, maybe higher at 29, then we could see a continuation higher. Should be pushing the highs after that. Then it should be pushing the highs. So until then is the waiting game. Testing 720. Yeah. If it can close through, so the 5-minute got rejected. Clean rejection on this fair value gap. And that's why I'm saying it might be a push up there above the previous high at 47. ES also trying to push it back. That's why I said if it's going for the 1 hour gap, could be getting ready for a long. I bought more at the bottom. You might did good there. It could be pushing back up again. We just don't know. It has to make a new high. If that's the case. The 5-minute was a beautiful rejection. But so far, no clean direction on this. Yeah, this is a tricky one. This is absolutely a tricky one. That's why I'm watching ES too. Because it could be a bullish flag if you zoom out to the 1 hour maybe, or the 15-minute. You know, sloppy top could be one more push. Took liquidity, now it wants to push higher, we don't know. But we are in a range. We don't know how far it will go. It's a tricky one. And this is technically a barcode chart. No clean entries, no clean push, not on the 1 minute, of course not on the 3 or the 5 minute. Got clean rejections on this end, also on the 15 minute. And well, yeah. Just don't know what it wants. If I look the 5 minute, there are some nice targets down there, some swing lows. Not all that significant. We have a swing low at 10, maybe. So yeah, this is a tricky one. It's a tricky one. Oh man, I wish I could tell you guys what can happen, but this is not tradable. Thank you for streaming, Globex. What do you mean by that? Blues Queen. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa. Hello, Wiki Hunter. How you doing? How are you guys doing? Welcome to the stream. Just waiting for a possible trade, hopefully soon. But we are in the barcode chart, guys, and there's nothing we can do about this right now. I have to accept that this London session is pretty much just, they pulled the plug. So I'm gonna let you guys know if we see a trade and we can take it, but so far this is not the point. So guys, if you can help out the stream, please push the like and subscribe. Also check out the giveaway, it's in the link and the pinned message up there. Most people aren't streaming at this hour. Oh, welcome. Yeah, maybe. You're welcome. I usually stream in London session and the New York session too. Messapeti, hey there, good morning. So we'll see. This can go on for like an hour as well, or 2 hours, all the way in the London session. So anything is possible. Yeah, maybe the news will tell us something. Feels like it's weak. Maybe it can go down. But next sell side, well, it could go down to the 700s. But this is a total mess. Untradable. Pretty much untradable. Got a little bit of a spike here. Not too intense. ES has that 1 hour gap up there and some good targets in the form of order blocks. Maybe it can pull Nasdaq up a bit, but no strong displacement. We're missing that. Yeah, sometimes it does. Well, I don't want to focus on other market right now. I'm pretty much going to stay with this at this moment, at this point. And we'll see where we go from here. It can go anywhere, of course. I feel like if ES starts to push, then maybe we will see a bullish movement, but ES is stuck as well. Not moving. Days like this can come. All right, small push. Back down. Took a little liquidity maybe from this gap again. We don't know. It's a coin flip, guys. It's a coin flip. Howdy, Trader Oracle. That will be a dump later on. If we have no strength to go up later, a dump, and after that pump again. Yeah, that could be the situation. So far, this London session is by the book. It's terrible. I mean, this is the definition of the terrible London session. I wish I could anticipate some move, but there's just nothing. ES is waiting. This is typically frustrating market. Hi Gaurav, good to see you. They will take out the overnight upwards move in your gap fill. Could be. How you doing, Gaurav? I'm doing okay. I'm doing fine. We're just sitting in a terrible sideways London session, mate. It's like this is. I mean, even after the London Open, we got a little bit of a push. I had a stop loss here. It's fine, but since then, look at that. It's like nothing. Nothing really. You're doing well. Yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad. Good to hear that. Yes, have low volume area from. So and we're bouncing almost there. So I guess New York session will, yeah, maybe, hopefully. Hopefully. Something should happen, you know. Should be happening. We have a small push above the 30. Let's see. ES might trying to push it as well. NQ back down. So hard to do anything here. All right. On NQ, I said it before, we have a buy side liquidity on the 4-hour up at 96. It's a little bit further, but yeah, still has a nice gap up there and order block. So if it wants to pull to the upside, as I said, NQ will go there, but we don't know that for now. At 10 a.m. there is important news at DAX. Oh yeah, the German IFO business climate, right? Okay, now it's back into the range. I'm telling you, there's no clean direction here. I wish there was, but there's nothing. Yes, it's still fighting down there. Anyway, until we wait, please give a like to the stream, subscribe to the channel, and check out, we have giveaways with the new application. It's in the pin message. You can fill out the form and then participate in the giveaway. Some simple task. You can earn more points to win. So go on and check it out. 50k account giveaways are coming up from now on, hopefully. This is a new application, online application. We can do giveaways with this quite easily. And we'll do the spin or the pick live on stream every week. So this is the first one. Check it out, fill out the form. It's pretty simple. I'm not a huge streamer, so for now, one winner is gonna get picked. Maybe two, but for now, only one. And it's gonna be next week, every week, one. Okay. Man, this price action is sucks. AK David here, he there. Doing good, thank you. Well, just the waiting game. That's the worst part of it, when there's nothing happening. At least we could see some price action, some good price action, but it's not happening. Even a drop lower, that would be good. Like this one. Could be dropping lower to take out what? Take out the 12 maybe? This is gonna take it out? Who knows? I don't know. What's happening on the mini? It's not taking it out yet. The problem is I almost gave back yesterday's profit with the previous stop. So I was scalping earlier. So I was earlier before the stream, I started to scalp here to go long. And then I closed it manually down there. So that was not good. And on the stream, I entered into this trade here. Hold on. Yeah, this one. I entered this and then stopped me out here. So unfortunately, today I'm already down. I had $40. I'm already down $130 with these two stops. So I closed it down manually and then it went to my profit. Pretty frustrating, but this is it. What can we do? Now it took this low. All right, all right. Tom, instead, real speaker, you should be a psychotherapist, man. Your voice is so calming. Really enjoyed that. You know what, guys? We can do ASMR sessions, you know, if you guys prefer. And you guys can write me down what bothers you guys, what is the problem, and I can tell you my exact thoughts and feelings about your problems, what should you do? Maybe I should do online therapy sessions. How about that? Would you guys go for that? You could do online therapy sessions. We're talking about life itself. What problems are occurring, both trading and whatever you guys prefer. So we can do that actually. I would be happy to do that, Damien. So why not? Trading is a mind game. It's a mental hurdle sometimes, and you just have to get through with it. And let me just get back to our previous conversation early on the stream this morning about the prop firms, because that's what we're doing. We're trading prop firms. And I just want to state that again. I always say that in every stream of mine, and also in my review videos, which I did about MyFundedFutures too. I'm going to do review about TOPSTEP and the others. I'm very grateful for these prop firms, not just because of the opportunity that I can trade with them and being able to generate a profit from trading, but I'm also, of course, promoting them. And I already got some messages, DMs, that I should be stop scamming people. I actually got a message like this. I got a DM. I don't know. It was a new profile on Twitter, and I got a message that I should stop scamming people with prop firms. That's what I got. And guys, I never said that these prop firms are gonna be here forever. Actually, I said quite the opposite. I said that any of these prop firms can go down any day. TOPSTEP, Apex, whichever you name it, any of these prop firms. So that felt a little bit bad. Actually, that got to my soul a little bit, because now if I promote a prop firm that does something, I got to be a scammer because I show my face on YouTube and I show who I am, and from that moment I'm a scammer because I'm affiliated with them. So I'm gonna always say this: these prop firms can go down. I am not exclusively affiliated with a specific prop firm like some other YouTubers. I'm not gonna name anyone, and I'm not saying that's a bad thing. If somebody is exclusively promoting a specific prop firm, so there you go. Let him or let her do it. Great. But guys, I told this so many times. I'm making a few dollars here and there for the stream about the affiliate commissions, yes. And without that, it would be a little bit harder for me, alright? Yes, they can go down. That's why I say don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your money in one prop firm. Even TOPSTEP denies payouts, by the way, just saying. Apex denies payouts. MyFundedFutures denies payouts. I don't know much about BULENOX because they don't have that much of a following. But every prop firm denies payouts. They're protecting their own business models, which is understandable. If I would be an owner of a prop firm, I'm not saying I would do anything not to pay out my traders, but I would definitely do what I can to have the traders to go with the rules. And we don't know the background, guys, what is happening at these prop firms. So it's hard for them also. I'm not sorry for them. I just say that it's also a hard deal for a prop firm to manage risk, because there are good traders. There are extremely good traders who has to be paid out, of course, like everyone else, the small traders too. But the best traders are not making a few $100s or a few thousand. They're making tens of thousands of dollars. And so to pay out those traders, that's a huge bite to take for these prop firms, because, their business model is different. Anyway, just saying this. Everybody that said something like that is talking out of his frustrated soul. Denying someone payouts does not mean they are scam. We need to know why those payouts were rejected. Yeah, I mean, the problem with the internet that trust can be broken very easily, especially in the finance industry, in the finance business. And you know, the Funded Trader program, I wasn't really streaming that much at that time a year ago when I put on the video when they were playing with the slippage. And even the CEO Angelo said in an interview, he didn't deny that yes, we are manipulating the slippage to simulate market conditions. And you know, from that moment on, I knew that they are doing something very sketchy. I didn't like that. And so the Funded Trader is a good example of how a bad prop firm is operating, how they are not respecting the market, they are not respecting the traders, they are not respecting the whole industry, and they don't care about the people. That's the prime example, the Funded Trader program. And when you see the CEO, who is a 20-year-old kid, I'm not against 20-year-olds. I wish I could be one too, but if they see their 20-year-old CEO throwing money in the air and clubbing with girls and on a yacht and everything, you know, that's not such a good impression for traders, right? Anyway, that means that the rules are not clear enough. They need to implement additional rules regarding large payments. Yes, Boris, that's true. So, for example, for large payments, but they confirmed it already, they are calling the best traders onto the live markets. It's in their intention to call those traders into the live markets. They put their profits on a live account, and from that moment, the risk is, you know, it's been mitigated normally. So if that's an expression I can say. So that's why TOPSTEP pulls the best traders into the live market. That's why MyFundedFutures pulls their best traders into live market, and basically all of them. Apex pulls the best ones into the live market because they don't want to pay them the next profits from their own pocket, and that's risk management. But anyway, so I did my research, by the way, yesterday because I wanted to. And I found evidence on Discord, on internet, Reddit, everywhere. I'm actually collecting information for a YouTube video that all the big prop firms denied payouts. TOPSTEP, Apex, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, whatever are the big ones in futures. They denied payout. FTMO denied payouts. And not just for Andrew NFX, but for other big YouTubers too. What can I say? So you tell me, are they scammers? I don't know. What is a scammer? Anyway, this would be a whole different topic. We could be streaming about this for another few hours. And just talking from my head, because this price action, what we're seeing right now in this London session, is the total crap. No joke. This price action is so bad. There's no trades to be taken, guys. Absolutely no trades to be taken. I wish there would be some displacement, but there's nothing we can do here. Nothing on the 5-minute, nothing on the 1-minute, no clear direction. ES is just struggling. This London session is bad. Hopefully the New York session will get better. I really hope so. Great day, man. I'm gonna get a haircut too, by the way. By the New York session, if you come back, you're gonna see me with the new haircut. Right now, it's better to go away. Yes, guys, I think it's better to go away right now and enjoy the morning or evening or whatever. Go back to sleep, whatever, because this London session is just a crap. We still have about an hour from the kill zone. I highly doubt that we're gonna have a clean move. I had 2 losses, one smaller and one fairly normal on my funded account. So on my funded account, I gave back profits from yesterday. Not all the profits, but almost all the profits. Well, $130 I lost on the funded. So it is what it is, but yeah. Enjoy some nice sound from an edge cutter, I think. Yeah. What is your area of professional training education? What is your area of professional trading? Sorry, professional trading. Yeah. My area of professional trading or education. I'm not a professional trader. I am definitely not a professional trader. All I can say is that from last end of the summer last year, I started the futures, and I started with TOPSTEP, and by the end of the year, I took out $4,200 payout. Sorry. Yeah, I understood. Yeah, I can't read. So I took out $4,200 payout from TOPSTEP. But I also spent like at least $5,000 on combine accounts and activation fees. So I wouldn't say I'm profitable. This year I only took one payout from TOPSTEP, $350. And I got funded with Apex, but I'm blown my Apex accounts. So this year pretty much, I'm funded with BULENOX with 2 accounts right now. I have 2 funded accounts with Apex and 2 funded accounts with TOPSTEP. But I was talking about this, that I'm going to share 2 funded accounts on the recap videos after this week of how I'm doing and how the trades are going. If I enter a trade, I'm going to share it on the stream. I did not enter a trade here, only the one, which was before. So I'm not a professional. What have you done professional before trading? I was working for an insurance company for a few years. And yes, quite a few years actually. And before that, I was in the military. Or army, whatever, I don't know how you say, army or military, for almost 4 years, 3.5 years actually. I was in abroad an Africa mission with the NATO reaction force. So and before that, well, it's a long story, but before that, I mean, before trading, I was working with an insurance company. Yes. It was good for me to learn trading, because working with an insurance company, my work schedule was a little bit loose, because I can visit clients in my own time. I can schedule my own time. So that's how I was able to do more time for trading. And since 1 month, actually, since the beginning of this month, I'm officially full-time doing YouTube and trading here on YouTube. That's it. And that's why I have affiliate links, and I try to do some YouTube revenue. And that's what it is. That's how it is, guys. That's how it is. So I'm here, and hopefully I can make enough to pay the bills and to be here to reach those payouts. I have a little bit of money saved up to be able to be here, and this year is pretty much dedicated to that breakout to get the payouts. You're welcome. Mitch, hey there. What's going on? Well, if you look at this, Mitch, if you look at this, it's pretty much just ranging. Just ranging, nothing to do. This is a crappy London session. I had a loss here, and I was scalping here before the stream. So 2 losses, down $100, $130 on the funded account. Maybe I will have something in New York, who knows. I'm going to insert an ad. If you see an ad pop up, you can just watch it. Ad revenue helps the stream, thank you. So that's how it is. Go check out the giveaway, guys. It's a very simple form, very simple tasks. You just there is a form is specifically for giveaway. JB Simeon, thank you. Simeon, sorry, JB Simeon. Thank you so much for subscribing. So it's a very simple thing. The giveaway form, every week we're trying to do that. This is a new form. I haven't tried it before, but there are some few tasks you can do, and it earns you points. So increase your chance to win the 50K account, and we're gonna do this every week, all right? Stay tuned. And it's gonna be all right. The only thing I haven't clarified is which prop firm account will it be. It might be a MyFundedFutures, a TOPSTEP, or maybe 2 BULENOX accounts, or I don't know, Apex. One of these 4. There's going to be a giveaway. So hey, Derek Taylor, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. So this session is pretty much it's bad. It's not looking good. Now your wife is going to give you shit every time you tell her when you blown up an account. Oh yeah, no plan B. Yeah, Naz. How you doing, Naz? I like it. Your wife probably not so much, bro. Yeah. Yeah. No, well, hopefully she will forgive me. Hopefully she will. I'm trying not to blow up these accounts. I try my best. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay, all right. Guys, this is so bad, this session. It's just so bad. Okay. Everything is super slow. Not much happening. I'll try to get back to it, but this break is going strong, man. I have never been this high ever before. Been like, what? A vacation at my house. Nice. Oh my god, I wish I could be in Florida. I'd like to see the coast and everything. I'm now letting my deals pass me by. Oh, going to grab 2 with your code. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Scalp. That's scalp. Thank you for supporting. I had to step away. No accounts blown yet. And we're still hovering in the middle of nowhere here in this consolidation. How do you get out of drawdown? Well, that's a question that is tough to answer. First of all, you have to size down. I'm not sure what size you were trading with, but you have to go with the smallest size. So size down your trades, find some consistency. I know it's hard and it's going to take some time, but that's the best way to do it. Just size down. For example, if you're on an evaluation account and you're on a monthly evaluation accounts, I was doing micro, but I'm on mini now. Well, it depending. Are you on an evaluation account? Are you on a funded account? Which size account are you trading with? If you're on an evaluation account and you have to pay the monthly bill for the account, and if you are in a negative territory, then if you're getting close to that monthly rebill, I suggest you blow the account, because most of these prop firms are going to give you a free reset if the account is failed by the rebill. So that would save you some time anyway. Ballsy. I like. Yeah, Naz likes that. All the best. I have to go. Thank you for being here, Zoltan. Thank you, thank you. See you later. Yeah, Riggs things. Nigs, sorry. Be easy, Zoltan. Don't go work too hard now. Yeah. Oh, guys, this London session is so bad. I mean, it's easier to watch paint dry than to be on this session. I really deserve that stop loss that I had today, so I'm gladly taking that stop loss by seeing what happened after that. So I'm glad I took that stop loss. But man, okay, now we're breaking lower a little bit. Let's see what's going on. Maybe some action. I don't know. I don't trust this. We have a 15-minute fair value gap at 06. Can we be going for that? Could be. But no structure shift. So we're just not going for it. It's risky to jump in. Not a shift really, but it's very close on the 15-minute. It's very close. All right. Guys, I wish I could tell you otherwise, but this is the worst session I can. I think this is the worst London session well, maybe in the month of April. This London session is almost like one of the worst. Maybe the worst London session I've seen. Maybe the New York session will give us something, but guys, this is just so bad. Yeah, it's very bad. It's just so bad. I really can't say anything good about this. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cut the stream and come back in the New York session. I don't want to take trades on this one. I can do some other stuff instead of this price action. I don't want to be a part of this. Hopefully the New York session will give us something. So that's it for me in London. I'm coming back in New York. Make sure to subscribe, like the stream, and check the giveaway, guys. Click on the giveaway link. It's up there in the chat, in the pinned message. Win a 50K evaluation account. We're going to decide which prop firm, but we're going to do that. It's a new thing. Try it out. Very simple tasks. Increase your winning chance. All right. So thanks again. This was an interesting session for sure. So see you guys. Yeah, it was good talks. Good talks. So there you go. See you guys in the New York session. And thanks so much for being here. Get the giveaway. See you guys later. Cheers, everyone.